Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the garden. Today is the 8th of June 2026 here in the UK, and I thought I'll give you a quick update on my chili plant, show you how they're getting on, along with a few tips and guidance so that you have a best harvest this summer. This is one of my Naga Chilli plant. As you can see, these chili plants are looking fantastically healthy. Many of them are now flowering heavily, and some have already started producing chilies. This is one of the most exciting stages of the growing season because we are finally seeing the result of all the hard work that we started back in February. Warm weather we had in May and the longer daylight is really helping the plants to grow. Now, if your chili plant is not producing flowers, be patient and they will produce flowers as the weather is getting warmer. If your chili plant is starting to produce flowers and they haven't produced pods yet, be patient. It's time for you to feed your chili plant with a high potash fertilizer. As you can see, the plant is looking, mashallah, very beautiful. I planted this in a large container. Now at this stage, the plant needs fertilizer, especially a high potash fertilizer. So I would be using a tomato fertilizer once a week, a liquid tomato fertilizer, and I will be mixing it with water and adding it to the soil in the container. Now, in addition to that, every 4 weeks I add a slow release fertilizer. I use chicken manure pellets, and I keep on doing that till the end of the season. It's really important how you water your plant. Never let the soil dry out. Keep the soil moist. If your plants are flowering, and if you let the soil dry out too much, you'll find the flowers will be dropping. So to maintain the flowers so they turn into pods, keep the soil moist without over-watering them. Every now and then, poke your finger into the soil, about 2 or 3 inches, and see if the tip of your finger is wet or dry. If it's dry, water them. Every now and then give a shake to the plant so that they pollinate. I really hope you enjoyed watching this short video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.